New feature alert.
Guided learning in Gemini.
All right, it's time for a new feature alert. And the new feature alert we're looking at today is called guided learning inside of Gemini. And what guided learning does is it becomes a Socratic tutor. It asks questions and it helps students or you learn about any topic you want in the world. How do you access it? Click on Tools and click Guided Learning. So I'm going to say, help me solve 452 times 621. Okay, so we're going to do it together. We're going to use standard multiplication. So we're going to multiply the top by the bottom, which is 1. So 452 times 1 is 452. We'll set it aside for now. Beautiful. Second 10. Let's do 452 times 2. Well, 450 is 900, so 904. And what I really like about this is it's walking you through the why, the how. If you didn't want to solve this via standard algorithm, you wanted a different way of solving, you could 100% ask it to help you with that too. Say, I'm learning I'm learning this strategy in multiplication. Can you help me solve this problem using this strategy? And it'll do it for you.
I did solve the problem, in case you were wondering.
Guided learning is incredible. And all you have to do is show your students, grade 7 and up with a permission form, how to click on the link and click guided learning. The other cool thing to know is if you put in this link and send this link out to your students, so let's say flowers, and you paste it in your address bar, it's going to automatically put you into guided learning mode and have the suggested thing. So if you're trying to send something out to your students, hey, I want you to dive deeper into the Socratic method. I want you to dive deeper into viscosity. I want you to dive deeper into flowers, whatever it happens to be, you send out that link with whatever you want them to search behind the equal sign, and you are all set in encouraging them to jump into guided learning mode. Of course, they could always switch out of it, but that's how that works. New feature. Hope you like it. See you soon. Bye-bye.